guys, I'm so excited. I just bought a new phone and it's like transferred all my stuff over. It's like ready to use and I'm too scared to use it. Is anyone else like that when you have something new and you don't want to change, especially like a phone where it's something that I use all day long and getting used to a new phone is such a process and I'm like, no, I need more time. And even though I'm excited, I bought the phone and it's ready, I still haven't used it because change. I just have to bite the bullet. I will, by the time this video is up, I will be on my new phone. Enough. You don't go away. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys a new buy, and this is on a new product that launched on the Sephora website, and I saw it when I was kind of looking through some new products and new launches, and I saw it and I was like, ooh, well, that looks interesting. And it's by a brand I've never actually tested out before, so I'm really excited about that too. And it's supposed to be a no transfer gloss, like a high pigment gloss, and it's supposed to stay on your lips all day. And I was like, that would be amazing. The brand is called Black Up. I bought 2 different shades here, so we'll just swatch them and just see. Hopefully it comes off in a swatch. It is the no transfer glossy lip color, and it's supposed to do just that. It's supposed to be transfer proof. It's gonna last on your lips all day, but it's gonna have a nice glossy finish. And I've never tried something like that before, and it actually lived up to the expectations. So today we're going to put it on. I'm going to go about my entire day. We're gonna do a full day wear test, and we're gonna see what it's actually like at the end of the day, and if it is actually as transfer proof as they say it is. I mean, it is in the title of the product, so here's hoping. So first, for the emoji, for those of you that don't know, for my buyer buys, I always do an emoji rating system out of 5 emojis. And I asked you guys on Twitter what emoji I should do. I was stumped on this one. You guys had a lot of good ideas. So I think my favorite one, the one that I'm gonna go with, is from Anissa, or Little Toadstool on Twitter. Oh my gosh, that's such a cute name. And she suggested the burger emoji, which makes sense. If I can eat a ton of burgers, I really want a burger right now, then 5 burgers out of 5 would mean that it's really transfer proof. It is gonna stay put. It's not going to be on my burger. I'm not gonna be eating lip gloss and burgers at the same time. And then 1 burger out of 5 would mean that the product just transfers everywhere. I'm getting it on my burger. I am eating a lip gloss burger, and that's just really not what I'm looking for here today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and if you enjoy buy or buy type videos, leave a comment down below if you have any requests for future ones that you guys want to see on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And without further ado, let's get into this. So let's talk about what this product actually is. So it says it is a new glossy liquid lipstick that has the intensity of a lipstick and the shine of a gloss without any transfer. Which, to be honest, I feel like every gloss should be, but anyway. It says it's going to be intense, really pigmented, and then you don't have to choose between lasting hold, comfort, and shine. And the 2 colors that I got strawberry pink, which looks super vibrant on the website, like a really bright but deeper pink, and then a bright red, because, you know, it's almost spring. Or basically, when it's March, it's spring. This is more of like a deep berry color. And I get it, it says strawberry pink, but strawberry I always think of like a brighter color, you know? So this is the color here. It is very pretty, but it just wasn't what I was expecting. So we'll see how pigmented this is, which is not very. I guess this needs to be like built up a lot, like a lot of layers. What does it say on the website? Apply a generous amount of product to the lips for maximum coverage. Okay, so this is something that needs to be built up a lot to get the color you want. So hopefully that doesn't mean it's gonna be streaky, but that is the color there with about 3 coats on it. It's a little bit on the streaky side, but it is very shiny. Then on to shade number 5, which is a bright red. Same thing, very like watery, for like a first coat. Ooh, I really like that color. It's very pretty, almost like an orangey red, which I'm really into. So that's probably the shade I'm gonna go with today. If it's gonna last and I just have to build up a couple of layers, I'm okay with that. So let's zoom in and actually apply this to the lips. I'm going to just take off the lip gloss on my lips, make them nice and dry. Also, a ton of foundation apparently. And now let's put this to the test. Okay, that is way more pigmented on my lips in 1 coat than it is on my hand. In terms of the formula, it almost feels like a bit of a stain. Like the formula is not as gloss-like as I was expecting it to be. It's much thinner, but it does give a nice sheen. So that's 1 coat right there. It's not too shabby in terms of overall coverage and what it looks like on the lips. Like, I'm gonna do another coat just because I'm kind of curious how much I can build it up and it still be transfer proof. But I like that so far. It doesn't feel like thick on the lips at all. It's not tacky at all. Oh, I'm excited about this. So that is 2 coats on the lips right there, and I like that. That's a good amount of coverage. the color's really pretty and saturated. It has a nice glossy sheen. So I'm gonna like let this dry a little bit and then we're gonna test it. Is this actually as transfer proof as it is pretty? Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes now and like it still feels nice on the lips. Like it feels like a really nice gloss, but it's not like transferring to my teeth at all or anything. Like it's awesome. It feels so comfortable. So I'm really hoping this is gonna be transfer proof. And I thought the best way to do that would be to take one of these like little like filmy things and see the proof right here. So let's see what we're working with here. Whoa, literally nothing. You guys saw my smushed lips against that. That did nothing. Like it's just a little bit greasy because it's a gloss, but no color is transferred. Oh, I'm excited. Well, now that I'm thoroughly impressed with this so far, like it feels really good on the lips, it doesn't seem to transfer. I'm gonna go about my day. We'll see what the wear is like when I'm eating food and stuff, and I will check in with you guys tonight and we'll see what's happening. Okay, so now it is the end of the day, and yes, it's looking a little bit patchy by this point. It's like 8 something, I think. And it was throughout the like end of the day, it was starting to get a little bit crumbly along the cupid's bow, like a smidge. But like for the most part, it stayed put pretty well. And I think the reason is because it's a glossy liquid lipstick and not a matte one, because the matte ones tend to like cling onto your lips like cement, and anytime you have any dryness or you want to move your lips at all, sometimes they can get crumbly. This one, the formula is almost a little bit malleable, I want to say. So when you like smooth your lips together, like it like moves around just a hair. It's almost serum-y in terms of the consistency. In terms of their whole like no transfer claim, yes, there was a little bit of transfer when I was eating. I would notice like a tiny bit on the food I was eating, but nothing so significant that I was like, oh, this is terrible. And I think right now what I want to do is I want to put another layer of this on because I want to see, because I want you guys to see what it actually looked like with no touch-ups. But if I put another layer on right now, will it go back to being that bulletproof formula that it was when I first put it on? Because obviously as you wear throughout the day, as you lick your lips, as you eat food, the formula is going to wear down a little bit. But I want to see if this builds it back up, because then if I can do like a quick touch up during the day, like I could deal with that. It's like super comfortable. This is what it looks like with another layer put on. Like it looks good. Again, it's a little tiny bit patchy at the bottom, but nothing that I would notice really except close up. So let's see once it dries down if it becomes transfer proof again. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. Wow. And there we go. Like looking at it closely, you can see little tiny chunks, like very like tiny, but a little bit more transfer than it was at the very beginning where there was nothing. So in terms of my overall rating, I can give this 4 burgers out of 5. And the reason is because 1A, it's super comfortable. 2, it looks gorgeous on the lips. I love that it's glossy, but it's not like glommy on the lips. And it feels nice and smooth. It's not sticky in any way, and it seems to stay put really well. However, I docked a burger because you actually could see some of the products showing up on my food as I ate throughout the day, and it continues to wear down if you don't touch it up at some point. If you're willing to do like quick little touch-ups throughout the day, I think this is a really good product. And will I continue to use it? Yes, I will, because I think that this color A is gorgeous, and B, it's actually going to stay on my lips in a nice glossy form so I can wear it out and not have to worry about it like smudging on my teeth, which is always a bonus. I think I'm actually gonna go out and buy another one. This color just wasn't the color as expecting it to be, and I think I want to try the like bright pink and just see what that looks like, because I feel like in this formula with like the glossiness, I feel like a bright pink would be really pretty for spring and summer. So yeah, I like it. I'm going to continue to play with it. Thumbs up on my part. And that's everything for this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you love these buy or buy type of videos and you want to see more of them in the future. Leave me a comment down below if there are any particular launches or new products, new brands in general that you guys want to see new buy or buys on. Leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you, girls.